You look around your surroundings, where your physical form is, where your body resides in this moment, in this breath. You notice the textures and the color, the temperature and the smells. Are you safe? Is your physical body safe? Once you deem yourself safe, your eyes flutter closed, and then let them close once more. You notice your breath in and out, the pace. Notice the pace. With every inhale, you grow a bit taller, and the exhale melts you deeper down, weighing down. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Not your body, but all that holds on throughout the day, it melts away. Lick your lips and let your jaw settle. Notice where your breath lands. Notice the texture and the temperature of the inhale and the exhale through your nose, through your throat. You inhale, your shoulders rise, and you exhale, they settle. The winds are changing, the air is shifting, and you are here, all together in one piece, all together here and now. You are safe as we enter. You are safe as you settle. The next inhale and a golden glow surrounds your physical body. The texture is of your choosing. Whatever moves through you is exactly what it is, but know for certainty this is gold. Your inhale and the gold shimmers, the exhale and the oval, the egg expands in every direction. This is you every day. It's always there. You walk and move and breathe through life, and the gold is there, and people receive you and you receive you. The gold is there. You look in front of you, eyes still closed in form, but here together in the lands of where we are, you see a door in front of you. You stay still, but know that in a count of 3, when I begin, you move through the door, you enter the door, and the land you enter is one of your own creation, one that holds that which you'll be birthing next. Not yet, but soon you'll walk towards the door, and as you enter, you'll notice what you notice, and simply breathe. 1, 2, you walk towards the door, your golden orb is grounded. 3, you walk through. Just as we began, you look around, eyes closed, but here in this land, your eyes are open and you see what you see. You notice what you notice, the textures, the colors, the sounds, the smells, the tastes. The winds are changing, the air is moving, and you are seeing, you are receiving. You look to your right and there's waters pouring. Maybe a waterfall, a copperhead shower, some expression of a dribble. There's some form of waters that are falling. In the count of 3, not yet but soon, you'll walk towards the waters and submerge and drench and allow to be soaking wet. The waters are memory holders, memory keepers. They transfer. What you're experiencing now in this space, in these lands of that which will birth through you next, will enter the waters. The waters will receive and will hold the memory. Simultaneously, you drench and you submerge. Your skin now becomes the library of wisdom that came from you, that returns to you. Nothing to do beyond simply receive. You turn your head, you see these waters, you don't move yet, you simply witness and observe. You inhale and you exhale. You start to move. 1, 2, you're at the base of the waters. 3, you submerge. You notice the texture. Soaking wet, and whatever that means for you. Golden Globe is there with you. You offer and you receive mutual reciprocity. You are a gift to the waters as the waters are to you. In the count of 3, you will leave these waters, not yet but soon, and know for certainty nothing to be done besides simply be and breathe and remember that everything always lives within you. You simply must open to see. You look down at your feet. You allow the saliva to fall out your mouth and land on the earth, an offering of gratitude to the waters, your own DNA. The most precious gift you could ever contribute to the lands which hold us all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 1, 2, you turn towards the door. 3, you're out of the waters, no longer submerged. Your body, the memory keeper, the waters, a reciprocity of an experience. In a count of 3, you walk towards the door, not yet, but soon, and when you do, you stand at the base of the door, full trusting that everything that's been experienced is here to serve you, to support you. And you begin. 1, 2, you walk towards the door. 3, you're at the base. You stop. Your head turns around and you simply receive this world of that which you're about to create next. Let go of the timeline and know what is done is done. It's set in the skins of your body. You simply receive. The winds are changing, the air is moving. You turn your head back to the door, not yet but soon you will enter through on the count of 3. The golden orb surrounds you. You are grounded. You are safe just as you have deemed it so. It's that simple. It's that easy. You say and it is. You speak and it's true. There's nothing to do but move. And 1, 2, you walk through the door, and 3, you're back. All parts of you back in physical form in this body. Your eyes are closed. You're not yet opening them. You first notice the textures and the smells and the tastes and the sounds. You inhale and the golden globe shimmers. You exhale and it soaks all into you while simultaneously expands out of you. There's nothing to do but simply be. Open to see and simply be. It is done, and so it is. Your eyes flutter open and you look around your physical space. What do you notice? The colors, the textures, the smells, the tastes. You are safe in this body. You choose, you decide. A hand to the heart, right hand to the heart. A hand to the womb, left hand to the womb. You breathe in past your heart and down towards your womb, and you say, thank you. May you take the next few moments to write down what you remember, to scribble or draw or sing or speak. Allow the tools around you hold the memory of what you just moved through. You are seen, you are loved, and you always and forever belong.